You live in the Motilal Oswal studio. Well, it's around 3 p.m. and that's the time when Nimesh joins us to tell us what is he picking up in terms of the flows and how are the markets moving. Nimesh, tell us, what's the feedback you've received?
Well, Nigel, today is an extremely quiet day. In a very narrow range since morning. The Nifty has been pretty much flat, so to speak. The Nifty is down just 0.2%. But, even the broader market index may look very flat, but there are a lot of individual names which are buzzing in trade in the broader markets, largely reacting to either news or to earnings or to some flows. So that's pretty much sums up that there is a lot of action in the broader market names. From a flow perspective, again, it's a muted day. As I've been saying, in the expiry week, don't count too much into the flows. And again, today you'll see a large number because of the ITC block, right? So X of that, we might not see a big number today. So that's overall feedback. But within that, I guess it's the PSUs which continues to witness buying interest. Today it's a case for PSU banks to see a bit of traction now. Again, defense PSUs continue to outperform. So the PSU as a basket has been good, but otherwise it's been a very quiet day with some very selective broader market stocks outperforming.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, what about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
I'll start with block deals. So the first name on my list is Tata Tech. Again, the stock is marginally under pressure today. The volumes are pretty much muted, but there is a very strong indication of a large block deal coming in Tata Tech very soon. The private equity is a large holder there, and that could be a potential seller. So that's the buzz there. The second stock is Protein eGovern. That's been buzzing in trade. The volumes are also picked up today. And I understand, in general, there is a bit of interest back from larger HNIs in Protein eGovern. So that's second stock. The third stock is HDFC Life. I've been saying for the last few days that there is a bit of traction back in the insurance names, and those are well bid. Today stands out for HDFC Life. There was block bids at lower levels, but it looks like that's been bought, and since then, we've seen a bit of recovery in that name as well. And last couple of stocks where there is selling today, surprisingly, Hoodco and ONGC may not see that big reaction on the stock price, but there is delivery-based selling happening in both these names from larger FIs. So expect high delivery volumes, but on the sell side in Hoodco and ONGC today.
Interesting list as always, Nimesh. And then in the evening, we come to know D Street confirmation, right?
Absolutely.
D Street chatter confirmation. But you've had a fabulous streak. Always look forward to this segment. Mitesh Thakkar is now